So I'm gonna see if my student notices the smell of this here. What's up, brother? You good?
Yeah.
Got your paperwork up here already, dog.
Thank you.
Got your
It took me almost a week to realize I couldn't find it.
You couldn't find it? Put it down first. Some time in today, man. What you want to work on?
I think we do some residential driving. Just kind of get back into the swing of it, and then some parking lot practice up at my job.
Okay. Just cool. Let's do it. Do some practice on that. Can you do 2 hours or 1 hour?
I can do 2.
Okay, cool. That way we getting through it, man.
Yeah. So make sure my mirrors is good. I always struggle with adjusting them every time.
Have you ever used that car freshener? Blunt power? Blunt life? Man, what? That junk be having a car so on point. Think you good? Bam, bam, bam. Fire. Bam, bam. Let's roll. Pull that right lever towards you. Let's clean this off. Right side. Pull it towards you. Towards you. Some more. We're gonna make a right up here.
How do I turn this off?
Yup, just down.
Okay.
Bam. How was that?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
I seen my video that you posted of me, bro.
I post which one?
The one when I was putting on the Vaseline on my leg.
That was a good video, man. That was a good video. How did you like that?
I was not expecting that. I sent it to all my friends. The zoom ins was crazy.
That was just a fun video, man. As long as we learn it through it and I catch the energy of the students. As long as I know I ain't got no students that's gonna cry about it.
Yeah.
Then why would you do that to me? I have fun. Oh yeah. That was a good one. That was a good one, man. Oh, that was a good one. I be forgetting about that junk, man. I be posting so many videos, you be like, what happened that day? We're gonna make it right up here. We can make a left. Don't worry about it. We're gonna make a left. Oh, there you go. He got this little charger. I taught that kid how to drive, man. He was so excited to go and buy his charger and stuff. Look at him out there. Oh, in the park right there, though. Damn, he paid for 9 recording lessons, and boy, he did himself a favor. I'm like, while we sitting here trying to worry about this left, He a hitch. That was funny. A whole lot more confident now than them first couple damn days and stuff. You got the right amount of lessons and you've been taking them consistently. So that's gonna help you out. And you didn't start off that bad. Man, I don't even think. Man, I don't know. This is the first time I've been with you since I told you. Did I tell you about that crash I had?
No.
Oh, I didn't even tell you. Stay to the right, man. I'm doing this chick over from the east side, man. I picks her up. We driving. We doing good. Keep our space. We get down on Jefferson. See?
My bad.
Gotta get them figured out, man. You almost see. Wait. I gotta stay focused, man. That was it right there. Go ahead.
No, my foot was too close to both of the pedals.
Man, you gotta have that figured out, man. Down there, and we in the middle of Jefferson. She lane changed to the left, but continued to the left, and freaking went down the parking lot structure. Man, we sitting on Jefferson looking about stupid. Only thing I was mad at, stay towards the left, was that I didn't record it.
Oh no.
She paid for me not to. It's like a lottery. It's like a gamble every time. She sure hit it right though. I'm like, I don't want to be recorded. I'm like, alright. So I just took that off the table now. Ain't no none of that. Everything on the flow. Make a left here.
Like here?
Yeah, left. You're going right. You got it. Roll it. Boom, boom, boom. Bam. Right? Yeah. That's what I'm looking for. The timing, what you're looking, how you doing it. Just staying smooth through it. Right? Make it right up there. Good, man. You ain't gonna get no more smoother than that. That was nice and controlled. You almost looking like a licensed driver, man. You that close. That close. Make a left up here.